Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to purchase Free Fire top-up diamond in PhonePe. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your PhonePe app. Now make sure that you are logged into your PhonePe app. After you log into your PhonePe app, you'll come across an interface such as this, and then you tap on the profile icon that appears on the top left corner of your screen. Then go to My Beam UPI ID. Now remember that your UPI ID is really necessary for you to purchase top up using PhonePe on Free Fire. Now you go ahead and memorize your Beam UPI ID and then open Free Fire app. Now that you've opened your Free Fire app, to purchase a top up in Free Fire, you simply tap on the diamond icon that appears on the top of your screen. After that, you can see that the top up option is selected. Now here in the top up option, you're given the amount of diamonds you're gonna get for the amount of payment that you make. As you can see, for $1.08 I get 100 diamonds, and for $50.36 I get 5600 diamonds. Now to proceed with the payment, you simply tap on the bundle that you'd like to purchase. After that, you'll be given a pop-up. On my pop-up, you cannot see this option. However, if you see the option of add bank account with PIM UPI ID, you simply proceed with it. Even though this option doesn't appear on mine, I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you're going to proceed with this purchase. After that, you enter the UPI ID of your PhonePe account that you've just memorized and then tap on add. Then your UPI ID will be added, and after that you tap on one tap buy. Then you will get a timer of 3 minutes within which you will be getting a notification of payment request. You go ahead, open your PhonePe app again, and in this PhonePe app, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on pay and then tap on send. Then you enter the UPI pin on PhonePe that you've set. After that, payment will be successful in PhonePe and in Free Fire. As you see, I haven't really purchased the diamonds. However, if you've got the pop-up in PhonePe saying payment successful, then in Free Fire it will also show that your payment was successful, and that in this pop-up, instead of payment cancelled by user, you'll be getting the pop-up saying items purchased will be added to your account shortly. Then you tap on OK, and then you can see that your diamonds have been added to your account on Free Fire, and this is how you can purchase top-up on Free Fire. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.